What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. This is the desktop lifting up bracket. Basically this one you can for a tablet or a smartphone. I bought it to use in my Galaxy Note 10 Lite. So let me do the unboxing. Here we go. And there's no light, that's why I'm using the LED light to okay. We get the Allen key, which is a good thing. So how to build this thing? Okay, when you take out this screw. Okay, let me tighten the nut on the Allen key. I want symmetrical. Okay, it's sim to my eyes. Okay, and so let me see the distance. Just 1 minute. Let me take out my ruler. Just 1 minute. Where's my ruler? Okay, here we go. Just 1 minute. Here's my ruler. From the bottom to the base is around 26 centimeter, and from here to the phone is around 20 centimeter. I hope you get the point. So let me put my phone and then see. Okay, it's a little bit stiff, to be honest with you. Okay, like this. So that was me. Subscribe and bye.